Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Just wanted to touch on Solid Step. This is a Lippert product that we're using on our luxury fifth wheels. Great step. It is really light, easy, and a very sturdy feel to it. So you can just walk right up here. What we really like is this top step and how wide it is. When you've got a load in your arms and you're walking up and down these steps, you don't have to worry about that first step because it's nice and big. You just walk out there and step, and your foot, no matter how big your feet are, they're going to hit that first step, and you're going to have a nice, comfortable, solid walk up and down those steps. So hey, give us a call. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.